today's task is to have a look at these two lawnmowers that I've been given that I'm told aren't working. So I guess the first thing is have a look and see if they're working. Well, that's going to be a problem. There's no fuel line. Alright, this one has a fuel line attached. Let's try this. There's oil in there. Maybe open up the air filter. Still intact. So I'm hoping that this will be way more effective if I can clean out some of this rubbish from the carburetor and try and do it as simply as possible. So I'm going to use my carby cleaner. I've never actually sprayed it in before while it's running, but apparently you can do that as well. So first thing's just clean it right up. Then I'll run it again. We'll see how we go. Don't need the choke open that much. Alright, let's check spark. Yeah, okay. Do it like this so I can feel it. Snug. Now what I'm trying to do is do this real quick. Let's try again. Whew. I'm trying to start that for a while. I'm just going to spray the cable with some WD-40 to try and get it moving more smoothly. This is stored near the beach. That's working better. So that spray works its way in. Oh. This is all on the same shaft, this carby, and there was because I took this off, there's an air leak just here. so it won't be getting any vacuum or any fuel. Wonder if it's that. So let's see if I can keep access to this, but just keep this tight. Try again. That's way better. Let's clean that off to give us a fighting chance. That in there. So this mower had been given up on because it had a rough idle and really wasn't running properly. Dirt and gunk had got into that carbie. Rather than pulling it all apart, I've just sprayed this throttle body carbie cleaner in when it's running, and it seems to be running much better. So now I'll reinstall even this. Got a bit of life left in it. That's that bit. The other issue you might have noticed is that the wheels have come out of the housing, and so it doesn't actually roll, which might be a bigger problem if you've got lawn bigger than that. So best way is to roll it to its front so we don't lose all the oil down into the engine. Let's have a look in here. These wheels at the back are fine. This one at the front here seems to have come out of its housing. So this one here is clipped into housing. Oh, I see, that's completely just slid out. I wonder if we can get that back along. There we are. So I'm thinking all this has to happen is just have that secured in there. So all it's missing is a little wire brace to hold it in. Should be able to make one of them out of fencing wire. Just found a tiny little petrol leak here though, so what I'm going to do is lift it back. I'm in the lid. So we'll go again. That's better, no leak. Back to finding some fencing wire. Embarrassingly, I can't find any fencing wire. See if I can get this U-bolt to fit. Let's clear this one out. Alright, so the issue with this one is it's actually missing a fuel hose. Take this off. Air filter. Clean enough. Got this old boat hose, fuel hose. That's going to fit that end. With some encouragement, it'll fit this end as well. So, let's do it. Yeah, that's good. Just secures that a little bit more. I'm just spraying carbie cleaner. Not dribbling out this time. That's good news. Before I spin it. Yep. Actually quite clean. Just have a quick look at these blades. That'll do. Let's test it out.